Hey everybody, it's Renee here, and we are on part 3 of our Christmas Coiled junk book, our junk journal. We have finally finished this, and I really like how it turned out. And now we're going to go through and show you everything that we come up with. So away we go. So on the outside here, I added just a few little things. And one thing I added was this Tim Holtz, it's kind of tangled up here, Tim Holtz piece where you can actually add more pieces on here if you want to. It says Merry, it's got a little charm, but you can add different little pieces on here if you choose to do that. And I also have a hook here with some different ribbons and trims. On the outside, I put the doily that I was showing you before with a book plate. So that is also on the outside. Now going to the inside here, we just have an envelope. This was a vintage one from apparently 1965. That's what it says here, telephone bill's 1965. But the envelope actually says 1949. So you could put whatever you wanted in there. I didn't want to, cover this up with, prettiness and stuff like that because it is vintage. So I wanted to just leave that like that. And that is paper clipped. So inside here, I left an area where you can just do some journaling. You could even add a picture down here if you choose to. Here, there's just a little bit of ribbon with some beautiful pearls here, some lace. On the next page, we have this really nice picture, which is a replica of a cabinet card, and it has a little bit of glitter washi. This is some vintage paper with this I love this picture of this little kid. Looks like it might be a little girl holding a Christmas tree. And that just flips over so you can do some journaling as well. And I like this too because if you want to do hidden journaling, it's nice to do that as well. Some music paper. This is a little mini pocket. So you can add your little pieces. And if you want to, you can even add these little pieces to your journal here and spruce it up however you want. And then there's still room for journaling itself. An old picture. Left this blank so you could put a picture yourself on there or just leave it blank. Same with this, you could put a picture or you can journal. Decorative. Here's just a pocket. There's some pieces here. Again, you can add these to your creation or just leave them or add other things to the pocket. This is another flip where you can add different pieces you want on there or you can journal. Same with here. I left a lot of free space so you can add your own pictures, your own journaling, whatever you might want to add, or just leave it blank. That's fine too. Like I said in the first part, which if you haven't seen parts 1 and 2, you really want to go back and watch how we put this together. I don't know what it was. I saw this in an old vintage magazine and I just love this. Just reminds me of the 70s and the food that was maybe put out. That's just a nice picture with our mixed media. This is another pocket, so you can put anything in the pocket here. You can use that on your creations as well. This one here is, this is a glycine bag. And there's pieces in here. Or you can put whatever you want yourself in here. This is another pocket. And again, you can put whatever you want in here. Just a tag I made. With all of my tags, I left them. The lucky winner will have a little bit of ribbon given to them. They can put them in the spaces provided if you choose to. I didn't put any ribbons on because some people don't like a lot of extra bulk, so I didn't put them on myself, but you could do that if you choose to. So there's that one. This is a library card holder. Same thing, you could put your own writing on there. And that's also a tag. Here is a band here, so you can check those out. You can use these in your creations or just leave them, or you can add other things to your band here. I love belly bands because they just hold things in and they're kind of fun. 2 more pieces. And this was made into a pocket as well. You could put something on here, add pictures. And all of these digitals are found down below in the description. So much fun playing with these. I used, like I said in the first couple of videos, scrapbooking paper, I used digitals. Yeah, I used a whole bunch of different things. Stamps, all kinds of this stuff. So you really do want to see the first and second videos to see what was used if there's stuff here that catches your eye. Or you can go onto Etsy, and as soon as I post this video, this will be available for sale as well. Another pocket. And that's another cute tag. So there's lots of room in this journal to document and journal and add pictures. This is open on one side. You can just put your picture in here, or you can even journal in there, do whatever you want. This one here is a file folder, and you can turn this into a little book if you want, and I did that in my last video, and I will put the link up on that one. My last one I created, I turned this into a little folio that you can also journal. So a journal inside a journal. So that was kind of neat. So you could do that with this one as well. And then that is the last of the journal. I really like how this one turned out. It was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, don't forget to hit that like for my videos, which I really truly appreciate, and the subscribe and the bell notification. Thanks everybody for watching. I have tons of Christmas stuff coming up still. I made a lot of Christmas videos, and I also have a lot of scrapbooking stuff coming up for those of you that like scrapbooking, as well as art journals and mixed media and some jelly plating coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe and the bell notification and all, so you get the videos once they come available. Thank you guys everybody for your support this past year, and I look forward to bringing you more content and a lot of fun this coming year. Take care.